Hi everyone, I'm Dann with VINTEN Broadcast Solutions. We are here at NAB New York 2024, and with us we have the brand new VINTEN Versine 360 head. Making its initial debut in the States, originally announced at IBC a few weeks ago. The VINTEN Versine head was a long thought out project which basically went into the field, took all the feedback from the operators that we've known for many, many years, found out what bothered them about their existing fluid head systems, and implemented those changes into this new head. So to start, this head serves the utility purpose in that it now can accommodate a payload from 0 all the way up to 88 pounds. So anything from midweight supports to lightweight supports, this head can fill the gap. And it does that a few ways. There's a new patented counterbalance system included in here that allows you to dial down all the way to 0. So you could theoretically balance an iPhone on this, or all the way up to an E&G style camera with a 40 times lens out in the field. So sports and OB, this is going to be very, very important for it. It still holds a lot of the VINTEN characteristics as far as a perfect balance is concerned, but we made a few tweaks based on operator feedback. So you'll notice here that the drag knobs are all located on the same side, so it's much easier when you're in the field to find them rather than going left to right. Counterbalance is still in the rear of the head, which is familiar to a lot of operators. And we've made everything metal now. So now they can take the rigors of the OB world, packing up, setting up, things of that nature. As far as the camera plate's concerned, we've actually taken a page out of our vector style. So the camera plate is actually latched in with this plate. You have that vector style feel and that security of the camera payload on top of the head. Now, a lot of the operators we found use accessories in the field. Whether it be iPads in the field, other tablets, any type of clipboards, things of that nature. So we've actually created an accessory arm that can articulate. And it mounts to the side of the head in this configuration. And the reason we did it this way is because this will actually stay stationary while you tilt the head. So there's no more having to follow it when you do the move on the camera. If for some reason you did want it to follow the tilt of the head, you can actually sandwich this in between the pan bar rosette here. So you have that versatility. Now, when it comes to the utility part of this head, as mentioned, this is designed to fill a large gap in the midweight and light duty supports. And the way it can do that is, natively, it is 150 millimeter base, as we see here, on a 150 millimeter tripod. You can, in fact, mount this on a flat tripod. You don't need any special tools. You'll see the pin here can actually be collapsed. Click switch. And now, this is a flat base head. This can go on a flat tripod. So native 4-bolt pattern, you can mount to any type of 4-bolt tripod, or there's even a quick fix. You can kind of see there's a ring here, it's a lip. This will mount on any of our quick fix adapters. So that quick setup and quick breakdown is essential. You can even remove the 150 millimeter piece outer shell of this, and underneath is a 100 millimeter base. So you can cover so many different bases with this head, especially if you're a rental company supplying gear to all sorts of varying productions, varying camera sizes. This head will allow you to satisfy everything that you have. So it does have an illuminating bubble on there, and you can't see it really here due to the light, but these dials do light up. So in dark environments, you'll be able to see the continuous drag settings and continuous counterbalance settings. So you can dial it in for that perfect counterbalance. There are essential other rigging holes in here. If you have to carry it up a catwalk, things of that nature, you can put a carabiner in here and lift it up rather than somehow securing a rope to it. So all in all, it is a very well thought out head based on all of our user feedback. I invite you to go to the VINTEN website where we have that all documented. You can go through a picture book and follow the story of how the Versine came to be. So, again, my name is Dann. I'm with VINTEN Broadcast Solutions here at NAB New York 2024 with the VINTEN Versine 360. You can find out more information at vinten.com. Thank you.
One of many